I just did a second set of just a few each of the 4-phase torture sissy squat, whatever you want to call it, just for your viewing pleasure.
Just for your viewing pleasure.
I'm sure it excites you so much. I'm a little delirious and my legs are like noodles. The first set, you missed out on all the grunting because I forgot to turn the camera on. So there you go. So just want to say that exercise may not look super exciting, but it really helps strengthen these subscapularis muscles and upper back muscles that for me got especially tweaked years ago when I was waiting tables in a very busy restaurant that had served up huge heavy plates full of food, carrying 3-4 plates on my arms at a time and heavy bus totes. So I really overdid those, created a weakness in those muscles while overdoing the anterior chain, the biceps and stuff. So anyway, doesn't look like much, but you're really contracting and helping strengthen those muscles. And if you try it, you'll see it's harder than it looks. Starting with 200 grams of grapes, 200 grams of banana. I don't know how I want to do the rest after, so I might just make a hot drink, like just maybe mix or blend some soy milk and the protein together and drink that up afterwards. So I can fit in my bowl. I have 2 figs before training, 2 of these. I'm going to squeeze some orange on there too. Okay, I had that fruit finished at least 2 hours ago. So I'm finally having a little bit of a fortified drink here. It's a kind of mocha using cafe aroma, carob, and a little cacao. There's like a teaspoon each of those 2. There's about a teaspoon each of all of them. I've got these little dates. They're very small. I had about 4 of them. Half a banana, half a cup of soy milk, and then hot water, all blended together with 1 tablespoon each of pea protein, just totally plain, as well as brown rice protein, nothing else added.